Oh, hello guys. Welcome to the Andy J channel here. And today we're gonna do something called Universal Indicator paper. It's this little thing. And if you don't know the back, this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna read it to you. The solution should be tested in the middle of a drift test paper compared with the standard color vision a half a second later, namely pH value. That was number 1. Now it's number 2. This paper does not apply to buffer solutions and very weak acid. The base solution controls lower than 1.1%. That's about how much a seahorse races. This paper needs to be stored in a dark and dry place. Okay. So it's basically looking like this. And if you don't know where the paper is, you just pull right here. There's your paper. Then you go like this and go, and then you pull it, and then it comes out with this strip. Now here we have like a paint palette, but it's actually a flake. This is left over from my brother's birthday. Okay, I want to try the shaving cream first, and this is soap, and this is, I don't know what this is.
Laundry detergent.
Yeah, laundry detergent. And this,
there's like disinfectant liquid.
Disinfectant liquid.
And then
this
softener,
is softener.
And in the center is air refreshener.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna dip in the shaving cream. This is shaving cream. I actually played with it one day. I'm just gonna let this dry for a bit. Wow. What color is this?
You have to show it.
It's 7. It's neutral.
Yeah, but you have to show it. Show the color.
It's 7. It's neutral.
Okay, it is pH neutral, so I guess you should put it like next to it. That way we know.
And I may want to clean myself up with it. Duh. I'm just gonna rub that all over my hands.
We'll put this strip right next to it. Okay, awesome. So let's do the...
I'm just gonna play with it later with my brother.
Yep, the dish detergent then.
Then
The dish
let's do soap.
Dish soap. You just have to wait.
No. I'm gonna rub it all over my dress. I like to blow on it for it to dry faster.
What color is it? Let's see.
It's like, I don't know what color this is. Let's see what color it is. It's neutral?
It is neutral too.
What? I don't think how many would be neutral.
Let's try the laundry detergent.
You can basically see it because the plate is blue and that is blue. I'm dipping it right here. I think it's gonna be neutral. And there's a bonus one. I'm gonna make, because you're gonna do like 6 or 7. Okay, this is also
7.
Also neutral. How many of this is gonna be neutral?
And even though you guys cannot see it, there's one over here, and that's the disinfectant. So let's try that one. Over here.
It's over here?
Yep, right there. There you
Oh,
go.
it is there. It's right there. It's a liquid. You can see it.
Yep.
If I go like this, it's like a little fish.
What color is it?
I think it's gonna be neutral.
You think so?
Is it neutral? It's neutral.
Okay,
It's
so
also
next to it,
neutral.
too. Awesome. And then over
And
here,
right
yeah,
here.
there you go. That is the softener.
Softener. Okay, and then here is.
There it is. Okay, what color do you think it will be?
I think it's gonna be neutral. I think all of them are gonna be neutral.
You think so?
Yeah. That.
Like, oh, it's okay. Still, you can get a color.
Whatever.
Oh.
Finally, it's like a 5 or a 6. Okay, let's keep that right there
Right there.
so I can soak.
And then in the center,
In the center, you can't clearly see it, but there is one tiny thing.
we have the air
Freshener. Let me just get one fluid out. I didn't tell this to you guys, but like 5 minutes before we done this one, it smelled like gross. Okay, it's done.
But now with the air freshener, it smells good. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. What color is it?
It smells so good.
Smells good.
It's, oh my gosh, it's like a 9. Oh my gosh, if you dip that there, you can see it's turning dark green, but it's actually 8. It's a basic. And then there's the bonus one for you. It's gonna be saliva. If you don't want to see me spit, cover your eyes, or we'll have to edit it, or whatever. I'm just gonna do like both sides, in case you want to see it or not see it. Okay, this one is not see it. Okay. Ugh, gross. Okay, let's see what color it is. It's like a 5 or a 6. Now, if you do want to see me do it, the
goes
person
nothing.
who's vlogging it is gonna like stand back. Oh, it's like an ice cream. Actually tastes like paper. It's just a paper. If you don't know what I said, I said it was soaking in my tongue. Same color. It's gonna put it in shaving cream.
Okay.
Not in my mouth.
Good.
And I'll show you one more thing. There's all the stuff. That's all. It's all in that bag. Bye-bye. Okay, let's put that there. If you don't know how to close this, you just fold here and close there. That's all. And if you don't know where this came from, I was begging my parents to buy that because I saw this in a YouTube channel that I mostly watch like every day, where you get that and test it in a lot of different stuff where you eat, and that's all I'm gonna say where I found that. Okay, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and psych out.